మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, హౌ ఆర్ యు ఆల్? ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పే టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే క్లాక్స్ పార్ట్ 2 అనేది ఇప్పుడు మీకు నేను చెప్పబోతున్నాను. సో క్లాక్స్ పార్ట్ 2లో టైమ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ how to find out the angle between the two hands of a clock. I want to explain you. Okay friends? So ప్రీవియస్ మనం పార్ట్ 1లో ఏం చేస్తామంటే క్లాక్స్ యొక్క ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ అనేది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఒకసారి మన ప్లేలిస్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళి మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ద టాపిక్. టైమ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్, how to find out the angle. So that is the formula. So first of all I want to explain, so angle is nothing but theta only, no? Angle is theta. Theta is equals to, okay, so angle theta is equals to, here formula is modulus of 5x minus y into 6 plus or minus y by 2. Got it? Modulus of 5x minus y into 6 plus or minus y by 2. Here where x indicates hours and y indicates minutes. Okay friends? X indicates hours and y indicates minutes. So then here plus or minus will be there, no? Here when will taking plus and when will taking minus. So when you will take plus means if it is this 5x is greater than y. If it is 5x value comparative to y, 5x is greater than means you consider as plus. Clear? So similarly when you will take minus means if it is 5x is less than y, 5x is less than y, so then you will take minus. Okay friends? So find out the angle. Time is given means modulus of 5x minus y into 6 plus or minus y by 2. So when we will take plus means 5x is greater than y plus 5x is less than y taken as minus, and x indicates hours and y indicates minutes. So this is the formula. When time is given, how to find out the angle. Suppose one question I want to explain you. So find the angle between the hands of a clock when the time is 2 hours 35 minutes. 2 hours 35 minutes, that is the question. See here, now already I told you, so here x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 35 only, no? X is equals to 2 and so y is equals to 35. Clear? So similarly, so first of all I want to find out the angle means formula modulus of 5x minus y into 6 plus or minus y by 2. So now here theta is equals to modulus of 5 into 2 minus 35 into 6 plus or minus here 35 by 2 only, no? So then theta is equals to, so modulus of 5 2s are 10 minus 35 into 6, but when we will take plus or minus means this is 5x value, this is y value, means 5x is less than y. Why? Because here 10 is less than 35. This 10 is nothing but 5x is less than, this is y. So 5x is less than y means you consider as only for minus. So then 35 by 2 is nothing but 17 and half degrees. Okay, then theta is equals to, here modulus of minus 25 into 6 minus 17 and half degrees. So then theta is equals to, if it is removing the modulus means only for 25, so 25 into 6 minus 17 and half degrees. So then theta is equals to 5 6 are 30. So means it is nothing but 150 minus 17 and half degrees. Okay, so then that equals to so 150 hours minus 17 hours means how much? 133. Again minus half an hour is 133 minus half an hour means it is nothing but 132 1/2 degrees are the hands between the clock means hour hand and minute hand between angle is 132 and half degrees. So this is the procedure, friends. Okay, so then next similar model I want to explain some sums. Okay, right. So I'm going to explain second sum. So next I'm going to explain second sum. See, when the time is by the watch 20 minutes past 7. So what is the time now? 20 minutes past 7 means that is nothing but 7 hours 20 minutes. But in that 7 hours 20 minutes, where here x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 20. So then theta is equals to modulus of 5x minus y into 6 plus or minus y/2. So theta is equals to modulus of 5 into x value is 7 minus y is 20 into 6 plus or minus 20/2. So similarly here theta is equals to modulus of 5 7s are 35 minus 20 into 6. But here taking plus or minus means here 35 is greater than 20 means it is nothing but 5x is greater than y. So that's why taken as plus only. 20/2 is nothing but 10. So theta is equals to modulus of it is nothing but 15 into 6 plus 10. So then theta is equals to removing the modulus 5 6 are 30 nothing but 90 plus 10. So that equals here 100 degrees. Okay, that is about angle. Okay, but here time is given 7 hours 20 minutes. So finding the angle is so that clear. So next I want to explain one more question. So next third question I want to explain you the reflex angle between the hands of a clock at 10 hours 25 minutes. So now I want to explain the solution. So the time is 10 hours 25 minutes. So here x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 25. So now I need to find out the angle. Angle theta is equals to so modulus of 5x minus y into 6 plus or minus y/2. Okay, so that theta is equals to modulus of 5 into 10 minus 25 into 6 plus or minus 25/2. So then next theta is equals to modulus of 5 tens are 50 minus 25 into 6 plus or minus 25/2 is nothing but 12.5 degrees. So similarly theta is equals to modulus of 25 into 6 plus or minus 12.5 degrees. So similarly here theta is equals to 6 5s are 30 means it is nothing but 150 plus or minus means here this is 50 is greater than 25. No, 50 is nothing but it is 5x is greater than y. So that's why you consider as plus only. So now you consider as plus only here, but here also I am taking plus, but then it is nothing but 12 1/2 degrees. So then theta is equals to how much it is 162.5 degrees. This is about a normal angle. Suppose in the clock, but hour hand and minute hand is between. Suppose like that will be there. Okay. సో నౌ దిస్ యాంగిల్ విల్ బి 162 degrees 1/2 degrees అండి. 162 1/2 degrees ఇక్కడ అయితే వాడు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ బిట్వీన్ ద టైమ్ మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్. సో బట్ హియర్ అట్ ద సెంటర్ కంప్లీట్గా మనకి ఏంటి 360 degrees ఉంటుందిగా. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ వాంట్ రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్. రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్ కావాలంటే సో 360 degrees మైనస్ 162.5 degrees అనేది సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం 360 degrees నుంచి 162 degrees సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 8 ఇట్ ఈస్ 9 198 degrees. బట్ అగైన్ ఆఫ్ కూడా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ లైక్ 198 minus off is nothing but 197.5 degrees. So this is about reflex angle. Okay, so this is about one more model. The time is given, but I want to find out the angle only, but they need to ask the not original angle. Reflex angle means the particular angle need to subtract from the 360 degrees. So then you will get 197.5 degrees. Clear everybody? So next similarly I want to explain more models for the next video. Okay, this is the first model, but ఏవన్నా మన కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో ఈ మోడల్లో ఇచ్చే క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే మనకి టైం ఇచ్చేసి యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటానికి ప్రతి ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. ఎన్టీఎస్సి, ఆర్ఆర్బి, ఓకే, మెనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. కాబట్టి ఇది ఫాలో అయ్యారంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా ప్రకారం మీరు చేసుకుంటే 100% మనం సక్సెస్ అవ్వచ్చు ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో మనం డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్తో మరలా మేము ముందుకు నేను వస్తున్నాను. సో అంతవరకు సెలవు. సో కీప్ వాచింగ్ మై ఛానల్. ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.